Keeping those New Year's resolutions can be challenging. Here to help is registered dietitian Bonnie Taub-Dix, the award-winning author of Read It Before You Eat It, taking you from label to table. Bonnie is teaming up with Almond Breeze to share plant-based tips to include in a day of eating for a healthier New Year. Thanks for being here, Bonnie.
Thank you so much for having me.
What are food and dieting trends you anticipate seeing this New Year?
Well, you could have a big diet impact by adding more plants to your plate. And one of the easiest ways that you could do this is by substituting dairy milk with almond milk. And my favorite almond milk is Almond Breeze. It's my favorite dairy alternative for so many reasons. They have 14 different flavors to choose from, so you could really personalize your plant milk that way. Plus, it is lactose-free, gluten-free, dairy-free. And most Almond Breeze products actually have less sugar and less calories than dairy milk and 50% more calcium than dairy milk. So basically, Almond Breeze is a beverage with benefits.
What are some of the healthier choices to consider?
Well, it's important to know that you could swap Almond Breeze into just about any recipe that you have. And it's a simple swap, 1 for 1. Swap out 1 cup of dairy milk or cream, swap in 1 cup of Almond Breeze. And you could use this any time of day, whether it's in your breakfast on top of your cereal, or lunch in a smoothie, dinner, making soup. I love to use extra creamy Almond Breeze in my soup.
Where can we go for information?
You could go to almondbreeze.com for a wealth of information. And if you'd like my soup recipe, that's on my website, betterthandieting.com.
Thank you, Bonnie.
Thank you for having me.